Are you looking for the best foam rollers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best foam rollers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OPTP Black Axis Firm Foam Roller. At 36 inches in length, this roller is long enough to target both legs at the same time, saving you time and helping you earn rapid relief. Whether you're rolling out tight hamstrings or sore calves, the roller relieves tension. It even helped our tester sleep better at night thanks to effective relief. If you work at a standing desk all day and feel tightness or soreness in your legs, this roller is a good addition to your bedtime routine. The OPTP foam roller earned a perfect score of 5 out of 5 in 3 out of 4 key categories. Our tester, who suffers from sciatic pain, experienced reprieve after just one session of rolling out her hips and upper thighs. We like this roller for its high performance, simplicity of use, and great overall value. Testing notes: the roller helped my hips a lot after consistent use. I was getting hip pain and foam rolling took it away completely. It's important to note that for irritable conditions like sciatica, you should always consult with your physical therapist or physician. A physical therapist will diagnose and assess chronic conditions and demonstrate how to properly use a roller to meet your specific needs, says Marco. Moving on at number 4, we have the IntelliRoll Pro Sport Foam Roller. This IntelliRoll foam roller is an anatomically designed foam roller that features a spine slot and raised knobs. It works to relieve tension in muscles surrounding the spine. Designed by a board-certified chiropractor, it's great for those looking to target the neck, back, and shoulder area. Our tester, who deals with back stiffness and forward posture from hours spent working at a desk, felt immediate relief after one simple session with the IntelliRoll. She gave this tool a perfect score of 5 out of 5 for effectiveness and ease of use. Testing notes: after sitting at a desk all day, my back and neck become really sore and stiff. This really helped. The roller is super lightweight, which means that it can shift a bit under pressure, so it's important to think about keeping it steady when foam rolling. But our tester says it's still easy to use and fairly comfortable once you get accustomed to its unique design. At number 3, we have the 321 Strong Foam Roller. Self-myofascial release, or SMR, is a treatment used to release tension in the muscles and fascia, says Teresa Marco, PT, spokesperson for the American Physical Therapy Association. Tightness in the muscle and fascia can cause pain and increased sensitivity in the area. SMR helps to reduce this pain. Our tester, an avid runner, suffers from sore and tight muscles due to the repetitive motion of running. After using this roller consistently for 1 week, she experienced incredible relief in areas that are often very tight after running, like the IT band, even equating it to the tension release that comes from a professional massage. The roller earned a 4.5 out of 5 for our ease of use attribute because its short design may be difficult to use for those with larger frames or muscles. But once our tester mastered the technique, it was easy enough to use, she said. Testing notes: this is a great tool for anyone needing something beyond static stretching. Everyone can benefit from SMR. The grooves dug in deep like fingers during a massage. It's an awesome feeling for a runner or anyone who struggles with tight, shortened muscles due to repetitive motions in their routine. With how-to guides and demonstration videos, the ebook is a helpful tool for both beginners and experienced rollers alike. The 321 Strong Foam Roller provides deep SMR, making it a great option for runners with tight and sore leg muscles. At number 2, we have the TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller. Double the length of our best overall pick. This TriggerPoint foam roller features the same grid surface pattern and rounded grooves, providing similar results and relief. After an especially difficult Pilates class, our tester felt sore on her first day using this roller. She experienced mild discomfort while using the roller but felt intense, gratifying relief after. The grid pattern works to get deep into muscles and knots, which can sometimes cause displeasure during use. But roll through it, and you'll be left feeling less tense and more relaxed. As long as you don't feel sharp pain, in which case you should immediately discontinue using the roller. Its hollow core makes the roller easy to hold and maneuver during sessions and is great for storage. Testing notes: it's an extremely well-made foam roller, and I like just about everything about it. It's not necessarily inexpensive, but I would spend this price or more on this foam roller. It's really durable and high quality, and most importantly effective. Our tester gave this TriggerPoint roller a perfect score for effectiveness and ease of use, docking half a point for overall value because of the higher price tag. It earned a 4.5 out of 5 for comfort because our tester felt the firmness and texture made it slightly uncomfortable to use. She noted that this roller would be best for those who prefer firm pressure massages, like deep tissue massage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics High Density Foam Roller. We love this Amazon Basics foam roller for its dense foam, firm pressure, and, of course, great price. Our tester gave it a perfect score of 5 out of 5 for effectiveness and overall value. After just 1 week of consistent use, she already felt more relaxed and relieved. Users who are especially tight and sore may experience some discomfort while using this roller because of its super firm and dense design. It doesn't have ridges, so it won't dig as deep into knots as grid foam rollers do, but the smooth texture allows for even pressure when rolling out. Testing notes: this is a great value. It's a lightweight, compact, and inexpensive roller. Our tester noted that while its lightweight design makes it very portable, it can also cause the product to roll away if not careful during use. So it's important to pay special attention to keeping the product stable when foam rolling.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.